And welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here, and happy Mask Monday. If you are new here, my name is Jennifer, and this is my channel, and welcome. On Mondays, I like to do Mask Mondays with the Mask Monday ladies, and I also do beauty material and unboxings, and I do talk about agoraphobia because I am agoraphobic, and I do talk about other mental health issues. So if you are into any of those topics, or say you're into all those topics, then I highly suggest you hit subscribe and hit that notification bell and set it to all so that you're notified anytime that I upload a video. So today we are going to be chilling in our mask and doing some unboxings, and I also wanted to, sorry about that, I am the worst at that. I wanted to pay a little tribute to a dear friend of mine that I made here on YouTube, and so if you are into any of that, then please hang tight because we are getting right into it. Okay, alright, the mask that I am using today is from Honey Jar. I think I got these in like a boxy pop-up or something like that. I got many different variations of it. This one is the Super Beauty TEA mask, and it is in lemon honey and blended with Jarrett tea, or whatever that is. But it is very nice and juicy. Hopefully it will stay on my face and not come off while I am talking today, which a lot of masks like to do. Okay, I've got an order from the Mega Drop Shop, which finally came in. I got something that I ordered from Ipsy Add-ons, and I got something that I ordered from Odin's Eye. Let's start with the boxy drop shot, Mega Drop Shot. Okay. Alright, I got a Violet Voss Wild Dahlia palette, and she looks like that. Let's go ahead and open her up and see what she looks like, because I forgot. It's been a while. Okay. Some nice nude colors. Kind of reminds me of a palette I already have, that I have from Violet Voss. But, where's that color? I don't know if I like this or not. We'll have to see. Where'd the box go? I'm going to put it back in its box and maybe see if Alan wants it or something like that. Okay, I got 2 of these 111 skins. I got it in a BoxyCharm one time, and I really like it a lot. It is their antioxidant energizing essence. They were having a sale, a buy 2 get 2 for 1 or something like that. So I bought 2 of them. I really like using Essence, and they had the Wild Livid Skin available, so I went ahead and bought that. Now, against my own best judgment, I went ahead and bought the Aceology Detoxifying Treatment Mask. Now, it says cleanse and tone skin, open tube while holding upright, squeeze a generous amount on your fingers or onto any brush or applicator, apply a thin layer, relax for 30 minutes. Okay, it's a peel-off mask. That was not what I wanted. Because the last peel-off mask I got from them, it like tried to peel off all the little hairs on my face. Okay. I'll have to think about that. I don't know what I was thinking. Okay, now, this is what I really wanted, was the Ace Beauté Floral Vintage palette. I've seen a lot of my YouTube friends get this, and I've been wanting it too. Yeah, a lot of beautiful colors on there. Big mirror here. Yeah, I definitely want this. I think I'll keep the Wild Dahlia palette too. On second thought, no. I can't make up my mind. Okay. Let's go ahead and see what we got in Ipsy. Because I think I placed this order a long time ago. Okay, I got a mask from Purlisse. It's the Blue Lotus. I love their Blue Lotus line of stuff. It's the Blue Lotus and Seaweed Treatment Sheet Mask. And this was a twofer thing. And the Blue Lotus 4-in-1 I Adore Serum. I have so much eye stuff. I don't know why I got that. And then this is the Soon Skincare Strawberry Lip Mask with Collagen. I don't remember picking this up. Let's see what it looks like. I do like lip masks, though. Oh my goodness. Okay, I think these are actual masks that you put on your lips. Yeah. Like a face mask. They're lip masks. Okay. Yeah, I like that. I don't remember picking them, but okay. This was placed a long time ago, and it's just now getting to me. These two things I'll either put in a giveaway or see if Aaron wants them, though this is just really similar to a palette that I already own. Okay. I'm going to pause for a few minutes and let this face mask work, and then I will be back to take it off because I want to talk about something serious for a minute, and I don't want to do it while I have a face mask on. Okay, I will be right back. Okay, I think this mask has been on for long enough, so I'm going to take it off. It was a very nice mask, I will say that. want to do Mask Monday. Put on a mask, any mask. It could be a sheet mask, it could be a clay mask or a hydrating mask, eye masks, hand masks, foot masks, any kind of mask. And make your own video, do unboxings, just chit chat, anything you want. And just put the hashtag Mask Monday Ladies in your title or down where you put the tags when you are processing your video. You know, you probably know what I'm talking about if you have made videos before. And yeah, I want to talk about something serious for a minute. I don't know if y'all know a YouTuber named Lisa Ann. She has recently passed away. She was a good friend of mine, and we used to always talk about palettes together. We would always DM back and forth to each other and talk about, are you gonna buy this palette? Oh, are you gonna buy that palette? We just had like the funnest time talking about palettes. We had such a love of talking about palettes together. And yeah, I am going to truly miss Lisa Ann a lot, and she was so fun to talk to and always lit up my day. And I always knew if I needed the push to buy a palette that I could go talk to her, and she would always talk me into buying said palette. And I always told her, you are so bad for my wallet. And this palette right here, this Odin's palette, was the last palette we talked about. I know we were both so excited that it was coming out. It was the Hella palette by Odin's Eye. By Odin's Eye and Angelica Newquist. It's, like I said, the Hella palette. And she had to, I was like, I don't know if I want to buy it or not. And she's like, oh, you have to. I said, well, I didn't buy the Club Nebula palette. Well, she was like, well, if you didn't buy the Club Nebula palette by Kaleidos, then you have to buy this one. And I'm like, okay, well, you convinced me to buy it then. And so I got this palette. And I just wanted to share some words about Lisa Ann and what a good friend she was to me. And when Erin kind of came out onto YouTube and started doing makeup with me, she had a lot of kind words to say to us about it. And I really appreciated her for that. And I know she was a strong and very independent woman, and I loved watching her videos. I loved watching her do her eye looks and everything. And she was, I don't know, just a very good friend to me and to Erin both. And like I said, this was a palette that we were both going to get together and do eye looks together with. And anyway, another one of my favorite YouTubers was Angelica Newquist, and this was the palette I got from her. So this was an Odin's Eye palette. And Lisa Ann was telling me that they had changed up I had an old Odin's Eye palette that was just terrible. And Lisa Ann was telling me, oh no, they've changed up their formula. It's really nice now. So I went ahead and took the plunge and bought this palette. So I'm going to be doing a first impressions with this probably tomorrow. And yeah, I think it's a really cool looking palette. And I'm sending out my prayers to Lisa Ann's family. And yeah, Lisa, I'm going to miss you greatly. And that's all I have to say. So, yeah, look forward to a first impressions video on this palette. Oh, and it also came, if you got in early, like I did, on there. This palette is not available right now, but they are doing a restock of it on March 22nd. And they'll probably do, I don't know if they'll do this again, but if you got in early enough, you could have bought it with this cool silk ribbon. And I just thought this was neat too. So, yeah, that was just kind of like a little gift with purchase. And, yeah, so that was my haul and my Mask Monday. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And, yeah, and leave any comments down below what you thought of my haul, or just to say Happy Mask Monday. And, yeah, anything you want. Just tell me how your day is going, and I love hearing from you. And, yeah, again, just leave that tag, hashtag Mask Monday Ladies, in your video if you want to do a Mask Monday as well. And, okay, I will, let me say this. Yeah, I hope you are having a wonderful day out there today. And if you are not having a wonderful day, I hope something comes along and sparks your day so that you can have a wonderful rest of your week and or weekend, whenever you are watching this, day or night, wherever in the world that you are. And if you're having an especially hard time, I am sending you out those good vibes. And just remember to stay strong and to stay healthy and to just remember to stay strong and stay healthy and to stay safe out there. And okay, I will see you in my video tomorrow. Okay, just stay well until then. Goodbye.